Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. I'm Brendan.
I'm Gwen.
And today we are at Animal Kingdom. We're actually meeting some friends, some old friends.
I've known Mary since kindergarten.
Yep.
I'll insert a picture of us here.
Oh, you have that readily?
Class,
Okay.
it's a class photo.
Oh, class photo from kindergarten?
Yeah. Well, I posted on Facebook, so that's why I have it right away.
Okay. So,
she was a cute little girl. I was old. Weird. No, cut that out.
She hasn't even been drinking.
Not yet.
Not yet.
That's later. Stay tuned. Might get a wild night.
Yeah.
Wild night and then no, we're going to go. We have dinner
at Disney Springs later.
Yeah. They're actually on the safari. We were late getting here this morning. Had to make a couple stops. Found out our mail has not been forwarded, even though we changed that when we moved. That's a little upsetting, but I'm gonna drop off some packages. So they got in line for the safari. So
yeah. So they got here early. You know, we slept in a little bit and got here now. So we're going to meet up with them.
When they get off the
we
safari.
are in the Gorilla Falls trail. And we're just going to wait for them and see what the day holds for us. He's way back there. And
got to keep pulling out.
we're on the Gorilla Trail and Gorilla Falls Trail. And a lot of times when you're on vacation, you just don't have the time. But But Animal Kingdom, this is the part that where, you know, you kind of just walk along and enjoy the scenery. And especially on today. Today's a nice cool day. Well, not cool. In the shade, it's nice. You get in the sun, of course, but it's Florida. That's what happens in Florida. It gets hot. So I always start off with we were in the aviary, right? That's what it's called. So they do have a guide of all the different birds in here. That you can grab when you walk in, and then I guess there's a box that you can put it in when you are leaving. But I always like walking through here, just checking out.
All the one we've seen is golden weaver.
This way, Jason, this way.
Okay,
Jason.
That's the only one we've seen.
Yeah, that's one right there.
Oh, sorry. Is that a nest up on it?
I mean, there's one right there.
Yeah. Well, what's that? What was that pair that's right there in the black? I think it's these, the white-headed buffalo weaver.
And we got some fish.
Oh, we got some African cichlids, as you see, and he's going fishing. We got a cast member. What a catch!
Wow.
Good catch.
The thinnest fish in the animal kingdom. Remarkable.
See, these are all African cichlids. As you can tell, and all they require, they're not tropical fish, they're freshwater fish, but they require a high pH, because we actually had some in a fish tank one time.
This is a burger.
Wow.
Wait, you doing some pin trading?
Right. With the fish?
Yeah.
Are they on there? There's a backside.
That one's probably that, but there's some over there.
So that bird, that duck right there, is
This one. But if
marble, was it? Marble teal?
If you walk through here, look, right there, under there,
Oh,
is the African pygmy goose. This one.
if it will focus. It's not focusing. You can't really see too well. That one's the African pygmy goose. And then what are these?
They're just flying. They can't.
Well, they can't fly in here because they're covered. So they.
Well, they're just a spindle. There you go.
Oh, he's taking something.
I don't know what's that one over there on the
Oh, okay. We have almost 30 different species.
That one up
They're
there.
not all on there.
That is the hammer cop. And that one's that one right there. It's just like the chirping of the birds.
Equipo, calle, calle. We encourage you to gather around our avian specialists at the base of the tree of life for a unique journey of discovery, one that you can't see anywhere else except in the wild. Welcome to Winged Encounters.
That wasn't recorded in the
species on our planet, especially the ones that we care about the most. Now check out these blue-throated macaws over here behind us. That's the species we were telling you about. Right here in front of you, she's critically endangered. We also have Catalina right up front. She's a great green macaw, also an endangered species. But if you want to get your phones and camera up, put it into slow motion to get a really cool picture. As we turn head on high here. We're going to take you guys through a little bit about conservation, a little bit about training, and see.
Whenever the game begins, you're going to be dispensed a snowball. All you have to do is roll that snowball up the hill to see how fast you can get your baby mammoth all the way across the icy tundra and back to mama. My first racer to make it back to mama will be my one and only winner. Since there are 6 of us competing today, we're playing for those medium prizes. That's going to be the Big Mickey, the Big Minnie, and the Baby Cementosaurus. All I ask that throughout the duration of the game, we keep our hands and fingers out from inside the blue cubbies as well as underneath the glass. Are we ready to get racing? Yep. Alrighty, your race is going to start in 3, 2, 1. It is a close race right out the gate. As we approach the halfway point here. It is so close, it is too hard to tell. Well, who will my winner be? And my winner is player number 11. Did we want a Mickey, a Minnie, or a Cementosaurus? That's perfect. Remember, the more players I have, the bigger the prize can be.
Oh, gosh, it's huge!
Little red rock.
Little red thing right in front of you.
Right in the middle, not the stripe, the cemetery. You see?
Alright, let's collect your tickets.
You want to get your
Do they even have this?
and go.
Yeah, you're great, Marco. You're precious. I'm so proud of you.
So we just won this in Dino World. These are so cute. We got the ringers with us behind us. Evan and the girlfriend were the ones winning everything for us. So we're off. We're going to try to get on Dinosaur. The app says it's a 10-minute wait. I haven't been on this ride in a long time. Gwen has. So Gwen yells at me. Gwen yells at me that there's a drop at the end, but she's been on this ride more than I have. So how was Dinosaur?
It was awesome. I think I still need to practice a little more before Amy and Chuck come.
Hey, if it's still a 10-minute wait, we should get back on it. So what do you think?
We came, we saw, and we kicked Dino's butt.
He had a good time.
I had a great time.
All you. Yeah, and if you take our first flyer, for example, her application to be Agile Flight. It's a very fun.
We are heading out of Animal Kingdom now. We're gonna head over to Disney Springs. We can pick up some Gideons, you know, when in Rome, and we're gonna get something to eat over there. we are at Disney Springs, and it's a busy night tonight. We're gonna get, Ed's got to get his Gideons, so we're gonna get in line for Gideons.
Gideons, here we come.
I had to restrain him in the parking garage. So we're on our way to Gideon's. Name in for the Gideon's queue, 5 hours. 5 hours. But is it worth it? 5 hours?
Heck
Is it
yeah,
worth
it's
it?
worth it. It's worth every hour, minute that you have to wait. It's like a cult.
And I did, I did ask what the cake flavors were, and they said they have 2 specialties: the Bride of Frankenstein and Frankenstein. So they're hoping, because I like the cakes. Cookies are good, but the cakes are great. Huh?
What's this other bakery here?
But we're heading to World Disney because Ed needs to get some glow-in-the-dark Crocs.
That's right, glow-in-the-dark Mickey Crocs. Woohoo!
But what you got?
Mickey Crocs.
Very good. So you be comfortable when you go into the door for the trick-or-treaters. I love it. Please make sure that you turn on the lights so they know you're ready for them, okay? Happy Halloween.
Oh wow, I've never been in here. Oh, this is neat.
Really?
So we just came out of, was it
Morimoto.
Mori, Asia?
Yep.
And we're here with Ed and Gwen and Mary in the background there. Why are you guys hiding?
That's a little
Trying to
bit.
get everybody in. So what you think? You got the duck. You and your son.
Yeah, we got
went
the
to
whole
duck.
Peking duck dinner, which was fabulous. With the bonbon, fluffy, doughy, like things that are really good.
Yeah,
the
that was
bonbons, that's right,
really
the
good. I did
bonbons.
have a piece of the duck, and that
Yep.
was really
Got the
good.
duck and those fried pork ribs. You gotta get them. Those things are absolutely amazing. They're the favorite things on this menu. Gotta get them.
They were excellent, excellent. So what you guys get?
ribs, yep.
The ribs?
Fun noodles.
Chow fun loving.
They were fun noodles.
Very good.
Where they go? It was very good. Well worth it, right?
And the dumplings too were awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dumplings were.
Oh yeah, the dumplings were really good.
Yep.
I got fried rice. I got the fried rice, and the fried rice was really good. Everything was excellent. What?
Excellent. 5
was
stars.
excellent. 5 stars.
I'm showing what? Okay, here, I'll just...
We'll just stare at the video.
Yeah, we'll just
No
stare at
sound.
the video. So, everything was great. Highly recommend, right? Highly
Absolutely.
recommend?
You gotta come here.
Highly recommend?
Yeah.
Highly recommend.
All right.
See you soon.
See you soon. Thanks.
Like my dad got it. What do you want?
Can I get the coffee, please? The Jensen sea salt, and then you got the rest.
Can I do a key lime?
Get a couple of these guys. Yes. Thanks. Flavors for I'm just like every other guy.
For the passion fruit.
Does the Hitchhiking Ghost chocolate chiller take long to make? Can I get one of them too also?
And then can I just get one separate? I was just going to try the pumpkin chai.
That's okay.
I got this. I got this. Oh, I'm sorry. We're in a way of s'mores.
Let's enjoy it.
And I'm gonna give this a try.
Oh, sweet.
Let me step out here. like straight chocolate.
Why is it green?
I don't know. That's like drinking chocolate. That is drinking chocolate.
Hi. I lost it.
No, it's in the bag.
See that?
That's like pure chocolate. Like you're drinking chocolate.
Man, this thing's amazing. My gosh.
I kind of like it. It's a lot. It's a lot of chocolate, but man, I like it. Like I said, I like it. And Mary said, it's rubbing off on you.
Right.
Rainbow crunch cake.
I've never been to it.
So that was our day at where do we go? Animal Kingdom.
Animal
Then
Kingdom.
Disney Springs.
Disney Springs.
More whatever for dinner.
Morimoto's for dinner with some great food. Got to go there. It's good.
And we did some Gideons. We
Yes.
did the ganachery.
And ganachery.
Yeah, we did a bunch of stuff today. And Mary's tired.
Yes, I am.
We're all tired.
We're killing it.
Okay, so thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please share this video. It really does help us out. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Peace.